Oh my word. Oh my word. Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I am so excited about because I received my first PR package. Oh my word. Anyway, so I'm very excited about this because like my first PR package, I mean like wow. This is like wow. I haven't opened it because I want to open it with you. The brand's name is Koi Krille. Koi Krille. There. Jou pit kan krul. Koi Krille, jou pit kan krul. So I haven't opened it. Yes, because I wanted to open it here with you guys. So let's see what's inside. I am so excited. I am so excited, guys. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Wow. Look here. Look. ACV Koi ACV cleanser. Look here, guys. This is amazing. Wow, this smells so divine. Oh my goodness. Guys, look here. Look at this. Wow. Like, look there. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is the ACV Detox Balance Clarify. Detox Balance Clarify Koi ACV Cleanser. Wow. And wait. I didn't see this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a thank you. It's a thank you card. Thank you for supporting my small business. This is so cute. Look here. Oh wow. Let's see. Yeah, that's so cute. Look, yeah. Aw. This is so cute. Anyways, let's get back to the products. This is the shampoo. Koi Krille shampoo. Gentle cleansing. Let me smell this. Oh wow, I love the smell. I freaking love the smell. Oh my goodness. So this is the shampoo. Yeah. This is sulfate free. This is sulfate free shampoo. Wow. This smells amazing. And then this is the moisturizing Koi conditioner. Oh my goodness, I love this. Let me smell this as well. Oh, look at, wow. I love this consistency. It's a thick consistency. Oh my goodness, I love the smell. I don't know how to explain the smell, but it's like, it's almost like a lemonish, lemon. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, this is so nice. And then this is the pre-wash onion treatment to strengthen hair and boost growth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is also a sulfate and silicone free. Can be applied to wet or dry hair. Shake before use. Oh wow. Oh wow. And then we have the mask, koi mask, moringa and amla. Oh, I've heard so much about moringa. You know, the moringa powder. It also has so many benefits for like drinking, and you can like use it in a mask, a hair mask, whatever. But yeah, this is moringa and amla balancing koi mask. Let's see. Oh wow, this is a very, very thick consistency. And I like thick products, like products that has a thick consistency. Oh my goodness. This is the mask. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use this. Look at this. Oh my word. You know, I use ACV on my hair. You know, I use ACV on my hair. And like I want to use ACV on my daughter's hair as well, but the smell is it has a very strong smell and doesn't smell nice. So I'm definitely gonna use this on my daughter's hair. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use the products on both our hair. I have to smell this as well. Oh my word. Oh my word, I love this. This is also a very strong smell, but not like just ACV. I don't know. I don't even smell ACV. But like, wow, it's such a, I don't know how to explain it, but it has a very, very nice smell. It's like a citrus smell, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, lemon and citrus. Wow, I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use this. But anyway, so this is my babies. Look here, look here. My babies. My babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can't wait to wash my hair. My hair is very, very dirty. It looks nah, but it is very, very dirty. So I can't wait to use this. Anyway, so my first PR package, and I must do a review and give feedback to them and tell them how it made my hair feel, and like, but I already know I'm gonna love this because this is like sulfate free and paraben free and silicone free. You know, this is like, my hair is definitely gonna love this. And like I said, the consistency is very thick. So, and high porosity, my hair is gonna love this. Definitely. And I hope it's gonna work for my daughter's hair as well, because like I said, her hair is very dry. Her scalp is very dry, and her hair, so wow, I am blown away, because wow, I mean, like, this is my first PR package, and you know, sometimes like it just happened. But anyway, yeah, I'm very, very excited to try this out, and yeah, I can't wait to give you a review. I'm first gonna like show you how I'm gonna use this, and then after I've used it, then I'm gonna make another video and tell you about how it works for me, give you the review of the product. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I am so happy to have received this. You know, it's really a big thing. Like, wow, a hair brand that wanted to collaborate with me and like use our product, like use it, and then you give a review. Like, wow. But anyway, I have heard a lot of good reviews. Like, I've read on Facebook, like people using the koi curler, and they are, yeah, the reviews, the comments and stuff that I've read, it's like always just positive, and like people give results like before and after, like how much the product has helped them grow their hair. And yeah, so I can't wait for my turn to like show before and after, like this is how much my hair has grown, and like it's so healthy and it's so moisturizing. Like I know, like the woman that gave me this, she said like after using this you wouldn't want to go back to any other product. So I can't wait, I'm so excited. But yeah, so this is all for now. I am gonna use this as soon as possible because like I've said, my hair is very dirty, and I'm gonna get back to you. So yeah, till next time guys, see you, bye.